Today we are making a very delicious Dum Kabab recipe. This is a very delicious recipe to try at home. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. You will need lamb mince 600 grams, 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1 chopped tomato and green coriander, ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons, 1 egg, Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon and turmeric 1 teaspoon. To the mince, add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, little bit of chopped coriander, 1 egg, 1 crushed green chili. Mix this properly. Now it is time to make the kebabs. You can make the kebabs round and long, as you want. We made the kebabs long and in medium size. These kebabs are very delicious in both shapes. Now it is time to fry the kebabs. Heat oil in a pan and fry these kebabs on medium heat. Cook these kebabs until they are golden brown. The kebabs are done frying, now dish out and keep aside. Now it is time to make the masala for the kebabs. Add chopped onion into a pan. Mix it and cook until they are golden. The onions are cooked. Now add tomato puree 4 tablespoons. Masala ko अच्छी तरह भून ले. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Add red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mix these spices together well. Now add yogurt 4 tablespoons. Masala ko अच्छी तरह भून ले. Now cover it with the lid on low flame for 5 minutes to make the masala tender. The masala is now tender. Now add the kebabs. Cook kebabs in this masala for 6 or 7 minutes. After 6 or 7 minutes, add some chopped capsicum. Add green chilli. After cooking it for some time, cover it for 4 or 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, this delicious kebab recipe is now done. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking in Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. You can find the ingredients in the description box down below. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this video.